Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change time zone in MetaTrader 5. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up the MetaTrader 5 application. Over here, go back to the home screen. After that, select settings at the bottom right. Then scroll down and select settings again. Over here, you'll notice there is no option to change the time zone. After that, close the MetaTrader 5 app. Then go into your phone settings. Over here, search for region. After that, select general, then language and region. Over here, choose a new region from the list. Then open the MetaTrader 5 app again and check if the time zone has changed. If it still doesn't work, that means it's connected to the XNet servers and the time zone cannot be changed manually. So that's basically how you can change time zone in MetaTrader 5. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.